Hello everyone, my name is Mohit and I'm running my YouTube channel on Knowledge Hub in Analytics, Learn Analytics with Mohit. So far I have posted videos on Excel, key Excel functions, how to clean data in Excel, how to make reports and dashboards or pivot tables or key Excel keyboard shortcuts. Then I prepared, uploaded some videos on SQL, Basics, Intermediate SQL, Advanced SQL, Commentable Expressions, Subqueries, Window Functions. Now currently I'm posting videos on how to tackle LeetCode SQL problems. After this I will also post videos on data lemurs, how to solve data lemur SQL problems and how to solve several SQL problems asked in different kind of interviews questions, different kind of companies. Today we are going to solve easy level of difficulties SQL problems. One is employee bonus. As you can see, this one is premium account, so I don't have access, so I can't solve this problem. Then we will solve find customer referee, then customer placing the largest number of orders, then big countries and classes more than 5 students. So these 5 problems we are going to solve, and in the next video I will solving human traffic of stadium and investments in 20 systems. And these are of medium and hard level of difficulties which is require more time to solve the problem. So let us just start with employee bonus. So I'm going to write a MySQL code. You can choose whichever query you want to write: MySQL, MS SQL Server, Oracle, Pandas, or PostgreSQL. My preference is MySQL, so I'm writing MySQL query. So table is employee table, where we have employee ID as a column, integer, name, varchar, supervisor, integer, salary, integer. Employee ID is a column with unique values for this team. That is, employee ID is the primary key for this table. Each row of this table indicates the name and ID of the employee in addition to the salary and ID of the manager. Then we have bonus table, where we have employee ID and bonus as a column. Employee ID is a foreign key to employee ID of the employee table. Now write a solution to report the name and bonus amount of each employee with a bonus less than 1000. Return the result table in any order. Input we have this. Output we need name as Brad. So Brad has a employee ID 3. So there is his bonus is null. It is not present. Then we have John, employee ID 1, which is not present, so bonus is null. Then we have Dan, employee ID 2, whose bonus is 500. Then we have Thomas, employee ID 4, whose bonus is 2000, which is not in the output because it is greater than 1000. So now let's write the code. We need name and bonus. Select name, comma, bonus from employee table as E join. Let me do left join. Bonus table as B on A dot E dot employee ID equals to B dot employee ID, where bonus is less than 1000 or bonus is null. Now let me run this query. So it is correct, accepted. Okay, now I'm going to submit it. So this is a very easy problem. So you should not have much doubts regarding this problem statement. Now I'm going to move to next problem, which is find customer referee. Here we have customer table with columns such as ID, integer data type, name, varchar, referee ID, integer. And SQL ID is the primary key for this table. Find the names of the customer that are not referred by the customer with ID equals to 2. Return the result table in any order. Input we have this. In output we only need Will, Jane, Jill, Bill and Jack. Why Will? Because Will has referee ID null. Jane has referee ID null. Alex has referee ID 2, so it is be removed from the output. Bill has null, so it will be stayed in the output. Jack has 1. Mark has 2 referee ID, so it is removed from the output. So we will write MySQL query select name from customer table where referee it is just a single filter not equals to 2 or referee ID is null. So we will run this query. We will want to submit it now. Okay. Now in the next we have customer placing the largest number of orders. Table is orders table. Order number we have column name, customer number as a column name. Write a solution to find the customer number for the customer who has placed the largest number of orders. That means we will do order by, we will do count of distinct number of orders and then we will sort it on the basis of descending order. So that exactly one customer will have placed more orders than any other customer. So we need only one customer in the output. As you can see input we have order number, customer number 3 has placed 2 orders. So in the output we need only customer number 3. Now let me write the query select. We need only customer number, so I will write only customer number in the select clause. Customer number from orders table group by customer number order by count distinct order number as descending limit 1. So what will it do? It will count the distinct order number which is having maximum and it will return only the top maximum record. Customer number 3. Now let me submit it. So these are just easy SQL problems. I don't think you are going to have much doubts in regarding this. Next problem is big countries. Let me solve this. After that we have last problem, classes more than 5 students. Here we have table world with the column name, continent, area, population and GDP. A country is big if it has an area of at least 3 million. It has a population of at least 25 million. Write a solution to find the name, population and area of the big countries. Result format is an input table we have and then we have output table. In the output table we want population to be greater than 25 million. So you can see it is greater than 25 million and area to be greater than 30 lakhs. Area of at least 3 million. Let me see what we are going to get in the output. I will write select query select. In the result table we want to find name, population, comma, area. From which table? World table where area is greater than equals to 3 million. 3 million, it is 102, 300, 3000, 30,000, 3 lakhs, 30 lakhs. Or population of at least 25 million greater than equals to 25, 2500, 25,000, 2,50,000, 25 million. 6 zeros we have. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Another 0 we are going to add, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Now let me just run this query. So it is correct. Let me submit this. Accepted. Now the last problem is classes more than 5 students. Here we have courses table with student and class column. Here we want to find solution to find all the classes that have at least 5 students. So let me just write a query. Select class. In the output we want only class. So we select only class from courses table, group by class having count of student greater than or equal to 5. Let me run this query now. Accepted. Let me submit this. I think there should be no problem. Accepted. So now we have solved around 5 problems in this video. Employee bonus, find customer referee, customer placing the largest number of orders, big countries and classes more than 5 students. In the next video I am going to solve investments in 2016, which is a medium level of difficulty, and human traffic of stadium, which is a hard level of difficulty. These two problems. Also we can solve friend request to who has the most friends. These 3 problems we are going to focus on in the next video. Till date, happy learning, all the best, enjoy, and please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.